Bye, guys.
What? Shut up.
Anyway, I'm doing a different video. It's not gaming, as you can tell, because I have a container. It's slime. So I just have to. Okay, first let's start with our glue. This is gonna take a while. Okay. Yep, this is gonna take a while. Yep, this is gonna take a while. So be back later. To be back when I say so. Beep. Okay, guys, I got a little glue problem fixed. So if you're out of glue or you don't have enough glue, you can just put some water in your glue and then put a little flour or thick substance in there to make it thicker. So I'm going to put my glue in here right now. Very little. Okay, so now I do the color. And I use all of my pink. So I'm going to make I think I'm going to do turquoise. So very little. 2 green. To make a turquoise, you're going to need 2 drops of green. 1, 2. And then 3 drops of blue. 1, 2, and 3. That should make a nice turquoise color. You're just gonna wanna mix it in together. And you guys are probably like, that's not slime. That's just glue and color. Don't you think I know that? So since you know that, now you put in your contact solution. This is how I do it. But if you do baking soda and then contact solution, you could do that. I don't care. I don't really care. However you feel. So you're just going to do a spoonful. Not even a spoonful. Very little. And then you do your baking soda. Hold up. I have some more glue. Take your baking soda and just, you do not need much. You need very little baking soda. Unless you want like crunchy slime. I'm not going for crunchy slime. That's perfect. That might be a little too much actually, but we'll see. See? There you go. It's already forming into slime. Stir it. Stir it nicely. And we're gonna want to see if it's okay. That's a little too sticky. I don't like my slime sticky. So if you like yours sticky, that's perfectly fine. But I prefer it not to be sticky. So I'm just gonna put in more baking soda. And that might have been too much baking soda. So we might need more. We might need more contact solution because it's too much baking soda. But we'll see. See, this is how I want it to be. That's how I like my slime. Just stays together nicely. This is, I mean, it's okay. It's a little more baking soda than I would like it to be. See, you see the baking soda on my finger? And the dye didn't really mix in well. So let me try to fix that real quick. Should I use laundry detergent instead? Comment below if I should have used laundry detergent instead of contact solution. Because they're both activators, but like, I don't know. But that's good. Well, since you guys, I'm so sorry that I haven't been making videos lately. I've been busy. I know you guys are like, busy from what? Yo, you're 14 subscribers. Yes. I've had school and I haven't been feeling like posting videos because I've been going out of town to see family. And shout out to you, cousin. You know who you are. So I haven't been making YouTube videos. But the next time I go to my cousin's house, then I might make or they come to my house. If they come to my house, hold up, y'all. Okay, guys, I am back. I had to get out a quick stain before my butt became stained. Okay, so this is good slime. Too liquidy. So I didn't mess up the slime, y'all. But it's okay, because I'm going to give it to my baby cousins next time I see them. Baby cousins, this slime is for you. Do not eat it. This looks like a booger on camera. I'm looking at my camera screen right now, y'all. It looks like a booger. But in real life, it's actually like a pretty dark color. I wish y'all could see what I'm seeing, because this right here looks like a booger. Maybe it's the lighting. If I do this, it looks more like the, but if nah, it's not the lighting, it's just this stuff looks different. How does this look? It looks the same, but still. So y'all, alright, y'all. This is my sign. Let me go get a bag. So y'all, I got the bag. And this is how my slime turns out. It's not very stretchy like I would like it to be, see? It's just like you just take it apart. But other than that, I say the slime turned out pretty good. You guys are probably like, girl, stop lying to yourself. But I'm serious, so I don't want to touch this because it feels weird. So, this is my slime. And that concludes my slime video. Hi guys! Yep. Did not tell you to shut up. No, come here.